animals. I think that's the message.
But then cruelty should be kept off your plates also.
Completely, I agree.
So you're vegan, right?
Yeah.
Yes, so she's...
And Body Shop is a vegan.
And Body Shop is
yes,
vegetarian and some products are
and
vegan.
many of its products are, most of its products are vegan. So,
But hopefully one step at a time we will be able to make a difference.
Yeah, we'll be able to make a
I
difference.
love it.
Exactly. Bollywood, as Bollywood personality, how do you look at Fatima Sana's, being trolled? In fact, the picture which she posted on Instagram, she's being trolled for that because wearing a bikini on Ramzan is being looked upon as something.
Guys, no personal questions.
I'm so sorry, I don't know about that. But I haven't seen that, I'm sorry. Makeup? कितना ज़रूरी है?
I think confidence के लिए बहुत ज़रूरी होता है.
Yeah.
So
I
it
think-
just helps us to look good.
Yeah, it is. It feels good. It's a feel-good factor. I think we, as women, like to pamper ourselves. We need to feel confident with and without makeup, both ways. But I think it is something that we love as women, So it can enhance. It can do a lot. So I think, yeah, of course, why not?
Okay.
Yeah, guys, done.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Yeah. They just want some pictures.
Okay, sure.
Okay.
We'll do against the backdrop. We'll do it against the backdrop. Guys, against the backdrop, please.
मैम पीछे
Thank you. Thank you so much. My favorite.
क्या रोल है
Animal testing is something right now that we're really trying to work towards. And if we're successful as Body Shop, we might possibly be able to ban animal testing all over the world forever. So this is something that we're very, very pumped about. Our slogan is Forever Against Animal Testing. We're hoping that all of you guys come on board and you sign a petition. One person can make a huge difference. So, yeah.
No, it's okay. English. So English. Okay. So as Jacqueline has said, that this petition is called, this campaign is called Forever Against Animal Testing. So Body Shop as a brand has always been cruelty-free, and our strength lies in our ethical. As an ethical brand, our strength is that, and we've always campaigned for things which make a difference. So as Jacqueline said, that our aim is to make sure that maximum people sign this petition. India has already banned animal testing in 2013, and now we want to make other 80% of the countries who have animal testing in their countries make sure that we have enough signatories from India as well to go for a global ban and present it to the United Nations and have a global ban forever against animal testing.
It's so cool. Imagine you'll be in history.
Yes.
If you sign that petition, you will be in history. You'll be like, I did this. I contributed.
What is the role played by a celebrity when they support a social campaign just like that?
Celebrities actually have a very big part to play. Celebrities, come with a lot of influence. They come with a lot of power in that regard. They can stand up and certain causes can be heard, like be voiced, and a lot of awareness can be created. So that in itself is a lot of power. So that also means that there is a responsibility, there's a duty from celebrities to try and advocate as many good causes and social causes as they can. Awareness is education. So if you can educate people on an issue, and spread awareness on that, there will be momentum on what actions can be taken. And the more people come together to advocate a cause, the more powerful it becomes. So with this, I mean, I am pledging, to be forever against animal testing. I'm hoping that I actually also influence others to do the same and make a difference. So that's important.
There's still in the world that testing is going on for animals. So what do you like to say about it?
So
Except only India.
Thankfully, and this is an amazing thing. India does not test against animals, and so we set a great example to many other countries that do still test on animals. 80% of countries still test on animals, and it's ridiculous because there's absolutely no need to. There's no need to put an animal through so much cruelty, and it is cruel because they're not given painkillers.
No sedatives, no injections, nothing. It's just
They're tortured, and such violence should not be something in our modern day and age, because we're educated, we're all educated, we all are aware human beings, and we should not be acting like savages, but we're continuing to do so in many parts of the world. So luckily India does not support animal testing, and we're just hoping now that if we can create a worldwide ban, that would be, something I think that would be so fantastic and so very needed in this day and age.
So what will the further step after the petition has been signed?
After the petition has been signed, all the countries over the world will also be signing their own petitions, and India, as usual, will be trying to have the maximum number of petitions to go into it. And then we're looking to collect 8 million signatures globally, and once it's 8 million, it will be the largest ever petition of its kind by us and submitted to the United Nations, and ask the United Nations and its member countries to have an international convention जो ban करता है फिर. So the United Nations will have an international convention where all member countries will sign banning it, and then it becomes like something which is really meaningful and taken to the legal level. Yeah.
So
after that, your upcoming movies, Judwaa 2 and
Judwaa 2 is coming up in September. A Gentleman is coming up now in August, and we have also Drive.
Ma'am, recently you have shoot for a song of Judwaa 2 in Portugal. So it's going to release in this year or...
your favorite song?
This is a very, very, yes, one of my favorites for sure. Especially that I've just shot for it. No, it was a lot of fun to shoot for. We all went crazy shooting for the song. Me and Varun, Tapsi, all of us, we've just had a lot of fun. Just recreating the magic that Salman, Karishma, have David Dhawan, that they were able to do. It's been such a phenomenal journey to be able to do that. So.
Recently, Remo sir have told that he is going to sign a next for you opposite Salman.
Really?
Is it true? It's a dance based.
Is it true?
He have came
Watch
with
this
the script.
space.
He have,
Yeah.
He have came with the script.
Huh?
Remo sir have came with the script.
So
right?
if Remo sir said it, then it must be true.
If Remo sir said it, she
If
said
Remo sir said it.
Okay,
All
thank you very
right.
much.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye. See you.